All right, so this is problem 11.1.24, and the problem is if a dart is thrown at random and hits the target, find the probability that it will land in a green region. And they have a nice pretty picture online, but I don't have a color printer, so I do have a green pen, but you actually can't tell. So this region right here is shaded green, and then it's going to be this region right here, just the inside of this box, just where I have the G's, that's also green. Okay. All right, so when we're calculating probability, we're always looking at the desired over the total. So the probability of any event is going to be our desired outcome over the total number of possible ways that the event could occur. Okay, and in this problem, we're going to have to use areas to be able to calculate that. And they also, these numbers here, the 3, the 6, the 9, and the 12 are referring to, they're actually giving us this distance right here, and these are squares. So we know that this is 3, that's 3, and so on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to calculate the desired is going to be the actual areas of the green regions, and then the total is going to be just the total of all of this. Okay. So for the desired, there's two regions to calculate. There's this region right here, which is going to actually have an area of just 9. And remember that area is length times width. And when we're dealing with a square, it's just s squared, which is the s is the length of one of the sides. Okay, so the length times width here is 3 times 3. So the area for this smallest little square box right here is going to be 9. And then I'm going to add to it the area of just this green region, but the green region right here is just, so you have green, then you have no green, I think it's blue online, and then you have green again. So it's just this interior portion of this larger square. I guess it's the exterior portion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to calculate what is the area for this entire square right here, the one that I'm tracing. So what's the area of that? And then I'm going to have to subtract off the area of this square because I don't want that area. I'm looking for the area between those two. Okay. So the area of the larger square here it's 9 for one side, so 9 times 9 would be 81. And these are square units, but I'm leaving that off. And then the area of this internal square right here is going to be 6 times 6, so that's something I'm going to subtract off. So this 81 minus 36 here is actually representing just this region where I have the G's written. Okay. All right, so that is adding up all the areas for our desired region divided by our total. And the total in this picture, we have this exterior square here that's 12 units on each side. And so 12 times 12 would make this 144 for the total area. Okay. All right, so we just want to simplify that then. And if I just do the math in the numerator here, I'm going to get 54 over 144. And if we reduce that, it's going to reduce down into 3 over 8. So the probability that you throw a dart and it hits in the green area is pretty close to a half. It's 3/8 there, given the picture that they gave. Okay, that's it in this problem.